In mountainous areas, bees produce honey by collecting nectar, usually from the flowers of trees such as pine, oak, and acacia. This process involves processing the nectar, evaporation of water, enzymatic transformations, and fermentation. People wear special clothes and use tools to reach beehives in mountainous areas. Honey harvesting is done manually, and beekeepers extract the carefully processed honey and store it in appropriate containers. Honey from indigenous plants growing in mountainous regions often has a unique flavor profile. The process reflects an experience where beekeepers work diligently despite the natural and ecological conditions.